Try the Emlen Diary Invisible Eyelid Tape with me. One of my crease or eyelid fold is lower than the other. Let's correct them using the Emlen Diary Eyelid Tape. There's an option that includes the toolkit, but you can purchase the eyelid tape alone if you don't need the tools. I chose the green version or the sagging eyelid type set because this is the right shape for my eyelid. Thin in the inner and thick at the outer. I match the side by holding the sheet facing forward so that the tape will be attached on my skin, not the mesh. Pick up one tape and hold it horizontally while the tweezer is at this angle. Make sure to do a patch test at the back of your hand or at your arms before using the tape on your eyelid. Make sure the small fork or Y-shaped tool is easily accessible. Next, spray the tape with water to activate the adhesive. Two things to remember when putting the eyelid tape. First, the tape should cover the existing fold. If you have monolid, this first thing is not applicable, but proceed to the second. The second thing to remember is that the new fold is determined by the upper part of the eyelid tape. Most of the time, you can use the same eyelid tape shape for both eyes. But it's normal if you need two different shapes. It is very important to wait for it to dry before opening your eyes. The glue sticks so well and seamlessly on your skin, but you need makeup remover to take it off. I highly recommend this Emlen Diary Invisible Tape. Check the link on your screen.